Hi everyone, I'm Michele from Missoun. In this short video I show you how to import a new bill of materials into the Missoun PLM platform from an Excel file. We enter the application with an engineer role. The application shows us the list of configured items. The simple scenario shows items configured by a bicycle manufacturer. By clicking on import, you can access the relevant page. And in this page, you can see that the import process is composed by 3 different steps. It is possible to import both items and the bill of materials. In this video, we show how to import a bill of materials. We select yes on import item, and the application asks us what type of behavior we want to apply when importing data. If we open the drop-down menu, we can see that we can select add data, but also add and update data. In this case, we choose the add option. On the right side, we select import BOM equal to yes, and we see that in this case, we can choose in between add and update, and also add, update, and even delete the data that are already in the application. Let's select the first option. Now, let's select the file that we want to import. Before going to the next page, I show you the contents of the Excel file that we want to import. So the file has been uploaded in the application, and I'm showing the content of the file to you by opening Excel. As you can see, there are different columns in the file. The field level, which shows the level of the item inside the bill of materials, the item number, the part number, the revision of the item, the name of the article, the unit of measure, the description, the category to which the article belongs to, possible notes, the life cycle of the item itself, and then finally the quantity related to the item. So this file is what you need. This format is actually what you need in order to import bill of materials in the application. At this point, we can return to the application and click on Next. In this page, we can see the content of the file that we just imported. It is possible to adjust the width of the columns in order to better visualize the data. If there are no errors, as we can see in this case, we can proceed to the next page by clicking on Next. In this page, we can see that we don't have errors and that the import was correctly completed. So we have the bill of material and the items imported in the application. In the page With the list of items, we can select on the category. We just imported a wheel, and we can basically immediately see by filtering on the category, the item that we imported. We can access the details. If we want to visualize the bill of material, we can go to the tab BOM, as we are doing here, and we can visualize the details about the bill of materials of the item that we just imported. Thank you for your attention. If you have any further questions on the subject, feedbacks on the video, or on the Missoun PLM platform, you can contact us via the contact page on the website www.missoun.com.